Last month some hands-on images leaked showing the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro, and today the same source is back with more. All three Google Pixel 9 series phones leak with size comparisons, shows the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL in full. We see that the Pixel 9 Pro is about the same size as the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL is about the same size as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Pixel 9 is about the same size as the Pixel 9 Pro. Pixel 9 series flat back panel and screen, Pixel 9 Pro matte back and glossy frames, Pixel 9 glossy back and matte frames. The Pixel 9's is 6.24-inch display, the Pixel 9 Pro's 6.34-inch display, and the Pixel 9 XL's 6.73-inch display. Though all three devices have a 120Hz refresh rate, you can see the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9, Pixel 8, and Pixel 7 all lined up next to one another. All three devices are powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC. The Pixel 9 come with 12 GB of RAM, and the Pixel 9 Pro models could have 16 GB of RAM. However, all phones appear to start at 128 GB of internal storage, the Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL have 350MP cameras on the back. The Pixel 9 unsurprisingly has a main camera and an ultra-wide, while the other two both add a periscope telephoto as well for 5x optical zoom. The official launch is likely to take place sometime in October when Google usually unveils its flagships. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.